Here we are in San Antonio, getting ready to walk the river walk. We have about a 10-minute walk to the restaurant to meet up with my son and family. Come on, we're gonna go down this way here. It says on the map we have to pass the duck. Oh, there's the duck. We have our GPS on, and they said there should be another duck coming up here. Sure, up. There's the other duck. Okay, so we're right on track. We walk along this river bank, and up there should be a boat. Oh, there's the boat. Okay, we're right on track. Up here a little ways, we will be making a left-hand turn under a couple bridges, past the man with the red shirt. Oh, here's the man with the red shirt. Oh, we're right on. Okay, so we are all taking the river walk. Now, this comes tricky. All of a sudden, we have to make a left-hand turn now. To go underneath the bridge. On the other side of the bridge, we should see some fire and flames. Oh, yeah, there's the fire and flames. And here's the bridge. So we walk down this street for another 6 minutes. We pass a man jogging in a white shirt. Oh, there he is. We'll continue walking this street. We passed the couple on the bench. And the restaurant right in this corner, that restaurant is called Domingos.
If you're smoking, you ate your fucking meds.
And we're going to go underneath a St. Mary Street. Okay, right on track. And they said look for another little gondola or gondolin. There's the gondolin with the red shirt driving the boat. Okay, right on track. It's very nice this evening. Weather must be about 75 degrees. Very nice crowd of people. Yeah, you could ask this gentleman where the restaurant is. Oh, he's going. These are like little taxis. These are empty on that one. Well, I better be careful. I don't want to fall into the water. See, we don't have to ride the boat. We could just follow it on foot.
Back in 1997, they reduced the sign over here. Jennifer Lopez was the star.
And here's another hotel that we considered. Nothing. This is another hotel that we had considered called the La Mansion. This is an old hotel. And we walk past this bridge. This is called Lover's Bridge. We walk down a little further.
Which institution is this?
You need to pass the little waterfalls coming out of the rocks. Oh yes. Okay. Here's the waterfalls coming out of the rocks. That's part of the river going underneath the sidewalk right into the main river. This river is being fed by little streams. And here's Four Brothers Hotel. This is nice, right on the balcony. People sitting, watching the boats go by. Now we're looking for a restaurant called Sandri's Fish Restaurant.
It goes behind our hotel. The parking goes behind my hotel.
I smell some fish coming from somewhere. We should see a restaurant called Sandri's. I imagine it's right before the river turns. Oh, here we are, right there. We need to walk to about right there. Well, a little farther up the road. A little further up. We're going to take a gondola coming back. Here is, oh, wait a minute. Bubba Grumps. Oh, Bubba Gump. I heard the gumbo was not too good here. But well, let's continue our journey. Don't listen to that. Maybe the destination is across the street. Because I see something that says, I can't zoom in, sea life. But we could ask any person here where the restaurant is. Yeah, you could ask that gentleman there. You can ask him where the restaurant is. He might tell you. You could just ask him where it is.
Look at your map and see where
Okay,
it is.
let me look at my map.
I don't know where it is.
Okay. Well, hello.
Hi.
Can you help us? We're supposed to be in a family here at Landry's.
Yeah, it's right next door.
Oh, Landry's is right next door.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
What it says. You've arrived at your destination.
Oh,
That's why it.
oh, it says we've arrived at our destination. Thank you. Wow, they have plenty of policemen here.
I don't know where we're going. Probably not from this side.
This must be Laundry's. Wow. Oh, there it is. That's what we're looking for. And it only took us about 8 minutes. It only took us about 8 minutes to get here. We're gonna walk a little further because I'm not supposed to meet my son until 7:30, and it's 7:18. But he has a telephone; someone can call him up, and we'll see if he's there at the restaurant. But in the meantime, we are going to continue walking down here to the end of the street. We're going to just walk to the corner there and turn around. Okay. We're gonna just walk to this corner and give Corey a ring. Okay.
But they scared me.
Hey, we think about it. We're jumping over it too. There's another pub, restaurant. There's restaurants all down this strip. This restaurant is called Mad Dog British Pub. respond. We'll walk a little further down this street. My son said he was 5 minutes away. And there's a group of stores in there. Man, oh man. Hey, Jen. Okay. We're going to walk in this building here. Well, it looks like some people are going to be playing music. 5 minutes, Corey said he'll be here. We're going to just look at this building real quick. This is called the Shops of Paseo del Amo. We're going to look in here. Jen. Jen, let's just walk in here and out that door. This is okay. This is a famous spot. Wow. Look at this. This must be a hotel or something. And they're having dinner up there. We're going to cross this bridge and head out the other door. Okay, let me shut the camera off now and go meet my son for dinner. Beautiful. Beautiful building. That wasn't long. Oh, music starting to play over there. Ah, very nice. Let's go meet up with my boy and the family. There's my boy right there. A proud dad. We walked here. It took about 8 minutes.
We drove here. It took about 8 minutes.
From the hotel. Glad to see you.
Yeah, you too. Hey.
I didn't know if you knew where we were.
Ah,
I didn't know, that's why.
It was a lovely walk.
It is good. It's only like miles. Yeah. You're right with you folks, okay?
And here we are at the restaurant. And here is a beautiful family.
Actually, I think 2 people.
Hello.
Where you want?
My beautiful family. Alejandra, Corey. Okay, we had a very nice dinner. I had a delicious shrimp dinner. And Jenny had mahi-mahi, and the family really enjoyed ourselves. Now we're taking a short walk off some of this food. That's it. We got music playing over there on that side, and the crowd's walking faster. My family is up there. I better step up the pace a little bit. This band stopped playing for a little while.
I didn't know there was a band there.
Nice, cool evening. It says the Frosty Dog. Oh, look at this beautiful tree. Beautiful. What is it?
The first time I went.
Very nice. Nice old hotel here called the Rainforest Cafe. People having candlelight dinners, candlelight drinks. Yeah, San Antonio is the place to be. And here comes one of those boats.
The only records I'm around is at a place called Hot Joy Restaurant. Hot Joy picture Chinese Mexican.
We might take one of those home to get back to the hotel. Lone Star. Cafe Olay.
Oh, you all thought it
Oh, Jen, look. There we go.
Like I just have it all.
Well, I can't zoom in on that. I'll wipe my lens off again. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Okay. There we go. Nice and clear. Beautiful.
Tell Corey about the new spillway. They have a new
And he asked for the library.
Very nice. Having a good time. Cafe Olay. And that was the busy restaurant section. And here again we have water coming in. Very nice. I'm really enjoying this here river walk in San Antonio. There's the big Hilton up there.
But I heard it's like beautiful.
Look at this beautiful boat. Maybe I get him to wave.
Coming out underneath the stone bridge, not the one over his now, but coming out underneath the stone bridge. High above me, behind me will be a very good picture. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, he waved a very nice picture. Alright. One guy waved at me.
Oh yeah, they probably wonder why you're taking it.
Nah, beautiful. Look at that. That's nice.
We can always come down here tomorrow. Oh, they got nighttime.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a horse up there. Look, there's a horse in there.
Oh, there's a horse. We missed it. We'll have to catch it. Where is everybody?
They're already up the other side.
Up what other side?
Yeah, we're just gonna go around and head back.
Oh, they're up there. This is good exercise.
They've already gone up and around. So Gary's 4 years older than me.
All right, let me.
I'm just 3 years. 2 years older than me.
I'm going to take a shot from this direction. Very nice. Here's all the pretty umbrellas they have.
Here you go, you ready?
Here, I have a little more film left. So the family let me catch up with them. And we're coming up to the restaurant section again.
We're ready to go home, y'all.
I know you are.
Alright, wave bye-bye. Oh, it's too dark, I can't see them. Here's the horse and buggy riding through the streets. And the laser light, you see there's a lot of birds around here. And they're trying to chase the birds away. And the police do have, they're riding bicycles all around the area, 3 at a time, and they have community watches as well. Watching the streets here in San Antonio. So not only the police, but the community, I don't know where they put them. No clue. But the streets are safe. In San Antonio. Here we are at the Tower of Americas. We have dinner reservations way up there on top. Our dinner reservations are in about 7:45. This is beautiful. Okay, now we're walking in the Tower of America building. We have a little ticket for our reservations. Looks like the man's taking pictures. He said, what? This one? I guess so. I guess this goes all the way to the top. Up. We'll see.
This doesn't even say anything.
Imagine it's coming down now.
And the best views of beautiful San Antonio. Built in 1968 as the centerpiece for the world's first serving legendary steaks and seafood as guests overlook the bustling cityscape below as the restaurant slowly rotates 360 degrees. Grab a cocktail or quick drink in Bar 601 and enjoy happy hour Monday through Friday. Our second and final stop will be the observation deck here at Tower of the Americas. Breathtaking panoramic views await. Throughout the observation level, we have information identifying landmarks and telling just a few tales of Texas' colorful history. Thank you for visiting Tower of the Americas. We're so glad you're here, and we hope you enjoy your visit.
Here you go, guys. This is for the...
Look at that, the floor is moving. This whole thing is rotating. The whole restaurant is rotating. Look again. Look at the floor. And the floor is attached to the tables. So you get to see the whole city. Fantastic. Video going down at the American Tower. Beautiful. Going down. Here we are at the bottom. Everything's closed up. I had a marvelous dinner.
No,
Missed the gift shop. Tower Gifts. I guess we could walk around. What to do? Okay, great meal. Okay, that's where we went. We went all the way to the top of that tower. And the restaurant turns and rotates round and round and round. We're done. It's almost 10 o'clock. Head back to the hotel. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. Having the parade. My grandson. At Lackland Air Force Base. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You were here, Jeff?
Arriving at the Alamo on the right.
The Alamo's over there on the right.
You can't get in there.
You had to walk.
You can't get in there. Just go, the gates all the way around.
I'll take a picture of the horse. Okay, one way. I guess you can't get into the Alamo. Right now they're doing construction. But here we are again, downtown. Downtown. And there's the river. We're gonna walk tomorrow down in the river. I got 3 motorcycles behind me. Wrong way. There's 3 motorcycles behind me. 2 scooters ahead of me. And it doesn't seem like nobody knows where the hell they're going, especially me. Someone's gonna get run over. Let me go down this street here.
This cute stuff.
I'm gonna make a right turn here. These people on the scooter, they're gonna get squished. Okay. Public parking on the right. Once again, I don't see any homeless people. I don't see any immigrants running around. I don't see any tents. This city's right on the border.
No, it's not.
It's real close to the border because the Alamo is pretty close to Mexico. I'm sure. But the police are doing an excellent job around here. Not only they have the police force, they have the community force. Oh, that's down there by the river. We're not going down there now. Oh, goodness gracious. These motorcycles are like bothering me. Annoying. Can I make it right here?
I have no idea. No. It's
One way. Okay. Turning off the camera, heading back to the hotel. Are you sure it's one way?
Yes, Steve. There's no room.
San Antonio. From our deck. Only 10 o'clock at night. Streets are empty. Buildings are lit up pretty. Down below is the river walk. Empty. Very peaceful. Very nice. And that's where they play the football, I think. The sports coliseum. I'm gonna take a peek out the other window.